all are doing well. So today the topic will be iron deficiency. So we will be covering all about someone who is suffering from iron deficiency. What are the symptoms? What are the causes? And what is what happens when someone has iron deficiency. So let's go into detail. This is going to be a little longer video. So stay with me. So now the question comes up, what is iron deficiency? Basically, iron deficiency is a condition where blood doesn't have adequate amount of red blood cells, and because of that your red blood cell, what happens is कि आपका जो RBC होता है, which contains oxygen and it takes to the body tissues. So वो आपका so what happens is now when your body is not producing enough of iron, without enough iron your body cannot produce those substances which is obviously going to carry the oxygen to the red blood cells, but आपका उतना substances ही नहीं है जहाँ पे the body is going to carry the oxygen to the body tissues. So here what it happens कि आपका iron deficiency से the production is not good and your RBC get affected. So obviously iron deficiency is something जहाँ पे with the supplements are also going to help to level up that, and your diet is also going to help in a way. Supplementation is something a very quicker thing कि हाँ आपकी जल्दी चीज़ें ठीक हो जाती है. With diet you have to keep your diet very up to the mark, where you are getting enough iron with the foods what you are eating, but it is a slow process because आप जब भी कोई भी vitamin and minerals हमें मिलता है with the food, it takes a little bit of time as compared to obviously supplements. So now let's talk about the symptoms of iron deficiency. So basically some people may not experience any kind of symptoms because that is a very early stage. You will only get to notice your symptoms when the iron deficiency is a lot more and it is on the extreme level very fast. There will be a loss of appetite in the children's and like in kids and toddlers. Basically there will be a chest pain, there will be laziness, you will be tired, you will be you might feel fatigue, there will be an inflammation and soreness in your mouth. Basically your nails will get brittle, but these are the very signs. जो nails brittle होते हैं वो तब होते हैं जब बहुत ज़्यादा आप iron deficiency हो जाता है. In adults you might get a craving for non-nutritive things, basically, which is ice creams and chocolates and pastry. So these are all the things, and there will be a heartburn. आपके hands and feet जो है and sometimes they get cold. So these are the few symptoms. I will share the list down below in the description where you will be getting an entire list of symptoms where we will get to know if you are iron deficient or not. So now coming to the causes of getting an iron deficiency. So iron deficiency occurs when your body is not producing enough of hemoglobin, basically. After one causes of blood loss, someone who has a poor diet and there is a lack of iron in their diet, they will obviously suffer from iron deficiency. Some might feel there is inability of iron to get absorbed. So that is the one reason, and in the pregnancy also there is a possibility that your iron levels will be low. So the children who are at low birth weight and are prematurely born, they are at the high risk of iron deficiency. People who are not getting their feed properly, maybe that is any it could be anything, maybe formula milk or a breastfeeding milk. If they are not getting a proper amount of milk, then there is going to be an iron deficiency. Poor lack of diet in their food, that is going to cause iron deficiency.